bit of a quickie tonight, putting some wipers on the zero. There. I didn't have them. It became a problem a couple of weeks ago when I drove through a fog bank, so put them on. So this consists of some wiper arms that I purchased from Mofab in the UK. They came with really powerful springs, which I didn't quite so much like. So I ended up swapping out the springs for these guys. For wipers, I'm using a set of 9-inch Bosch rear window wipers. And that's good because you don't need a very powerful spring to pull them flat against the screen. Let's see how those work. So this set of Bosch blades are the ones that came with the kit from Mofab, or Mofast. Because they're curved, you have to have a really powerful spring in the arm in order to be able to pull them flat against the screen. And again, that doesn't work really well with the wiper motor that I have, so it kind of messed everything up. But these are 10-inch rear wiper blades. They're also by Bosch. These were useful because they came with clips for the J-hooks, but they ended up being a little bit too long. Then I ended up with a set of these guys, H240s. They're 9-inch by 10mm. They ended up being the perfect ones, and what I ended up doing was pulling the clips for the J-hooks off of this guy, off of these, and putting them onto wipers that are on there now, and everything works out fine. So there you go. I'll have like some info on this down in the description kind of thing. As a side note, the 10-inch rear wiper blades that I picked up do have an insert that allow them to be used with the push-on style wiper arms. So there we go, wipers, useful.